Greetings, I'm Ms. A. M. Lava, and in today's video, I'll be discussing the content of my discovery box and how it would benefit the teaching of life skills. So firstly, observing the animals as an experiment, right? So this is the magnifying glass that they'll be using, and then this is my C. So these are the animals, the different animals, sea animals that you can find in the salt water or in the ocean, right? So by observing the animals as an experiment, learners will develop they'll develop keen observation skills as they watch the behaviors, movements, and interaction of the sea animals, right? And they also get to observe the color, the size, the distinct features, etc., right? So number two, viewing pictures and made animals. So I basically made different animals and the pictures. So over here they get they get visual learning, right? So pictures basically provide context, helping learners recognize and differentiate between various sea animals, as it also promotes memory retention and recalls of factors about the sea animals. Number three, watching fish swim in the fish tank. Observing fish can have a calming effect, therefore helping the learners focus and reduce stress, okay? And also it also gives an insight into the environment and conditions that sea animals need to thrive, right? And then we have learning fun facts that the poster that I made. For example, learning about the octopus, the seahorse, the starfish, etc. That basically will help in capturing the learner's interests and making their learning more enjoyable as they are going through as they are going through the discovery box, right? And then it also gives learners a deeper understanding of the unique characteristics and behaviors of the sea animals. Like they get to learn more about the sea animals, not just by looking at them, not just by them seeing pictures of them or going to the aquarium, like for example at Ushaka, looking at them. But here they also get to they get a deeper understanding of the unique characteristics and their behaviors. So they don't just go there blank and just look at the animals. They actually have an idea of how each of them behaves, etc. And then number five, the matching shadows of sea animals activity. So matching shadows to animals helps to develop critical thinking and problem solving skills, right? And then recognizing, and then it also helps, it improves attention to detail and helps learners recognize shapes and forms. And then this is the activity here. This is the activity here. So as you can see, the shadow of the octopus, the learner will then have to match it with the octopus here, right? And then memory charts, number six, basically memory charts. The games help to strengthen recall abilities and cognitive functions. So the memory charts, so after they go through everything, they'll then be able to remember or think about what they have seen or what they have learned during the time where they were walking past the discovery box. And then the two books, the fiction book and the non-fiction book. So the non-fiction, it's basically it's about the oceans, the different sea animals that you can find there, the different layers of the ocean where you can find different animals, etc. And then the fiction one, it's the fish that could dream, yeah. So that's basically fiction, and we know that that's not possible. So yeah, that's all. Thank you very much.